the track record. I would ask questions, I would talk to their clients, I would see what they're doing, what they're putting out, right? Their history. For me, that's important. The pattern, the history, the track record, right? If, for example, I want to build a team, I'm looking for somebody who's currently building a team. Not 5 years ago, not 10 years ago, but they're building a team right now and they're doing it at a much higher level. If, let's say, for example, I want to start a brokerage, I want to have a mentor that is currently actually operating a brokerage at the high level, recruiting at the high level, developing agents at a high level. For me, that's important. Not somebody that did it 5, 10, 15 years ago, somebody who's doing it right now, right? So that's one of the biggest prerequisites for me. The second thing I think is really if we're going to be able to jive personality-wise, right? Like I had coaches, unfortunately, that I was not able to connect personality-wise, right? And that's okay, that's perfectly fine. But that's something that I look for as well. And the third thing is the fact that, look, if you're going to be hiring somebody and you're going to be giving them your word that you're going to do things, make sure you do those things because you're paying them. You're paying them to mentor you. You pay them to coach you. Even if you don't pay them, the fact that they take time of their busy schedule and they spend time with you and you tell them that you're going to do something, make sure you do it. Be the man or woman of your word. Keep your commitments, all right? And don't just waste somebody's time.